Hey guys, what's up? In my previous tutorial I have already told you that how can we use what the lists are and how can we access different members of it. In this video I'll tell you how can we use the individual values from the list within our tags, how can we use it within the f function, how can we apply different functions like we used to apply different functions on variable, how can we use those functions on list. So let's see. Here I'm using title function for the second list member. If I only wanted to access the second member of the list, then I will simply type in animal2 and it is dog. Now if I want to turn it into if I want to capitalize all of these letters, then what I will do, I will simply use the upper function, I will save it and I will run it. And here as you can see all are in the uppercase. Okay, if I want to use the f function, then what I will do, if I want to merge a different text with any list indexed value, then what I will do, like I've done here, this is my text that I want to merge. I've used f function and then I've typed in this text, and like we use variables in the f function, we will use the list indexes in the same way. And what I did here, I've typed in animal2.index and animal2 is 012 is dog, and I have turned it into title. So what title will do, it will convert the first letter of dog into a capital letter and the rest will remain the same in the lowercase. So let's see what it will get printed. It's dog and the D is capital here. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and if you did, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any queries then please mention it in the comment box, and have a great day. Bye.